Hi, in this video, I'll give you a brief about our new product, which is our electric test vehicle. As you see here, we have an electric test vehicle which is built on the dyno. On the other side, what you see is our graphical user interface to collect all the data of the electric vehicle. To make this happen, we have our cataloger which sits in between the vehicle and the graphical user interface. So let me give you a quick idea of what is there inside this graphical user interface. The complete data of the vehicle, as I said, is coming over here, which you can see the voltage of the battery pack. We can also see the current of the battery pack and state of charge of the battery pack. And then here you can see some of the dial gauges, which is your vehicle speed, motor speed, and the battery power. You have throttle bar here, and also other data such as the distance traveled, then the energy from the battery consumed, and average consumption per kilometer. Apart from it, we have all the 14 cell voltages which are currently here, and then the battery temperatures are also visible here, the 6 temperature sensors. Apart from it, we also have our graphical user interface, which is with the graphs. So you can see here all this data, which can be visualized in live. So if you go there and refresh the screen back and clear the data, you will be able to see the data back in live right now. And let's just get to see all the data like this. And just let's run the vehicle quickly on throttles. So you can just see here how the voltage is dropping down, vehicle speed increasing, the battery power is increasing, the temperature of the sensors are there, the energy, battery, and the battery current. So overall, this gives the practical idea. Apart from this, you can also go to our file, and then you can basically log the data. You can basically log the data from the vehicle, and this data will be stored as an Excel file. Maybe you can just open a quick file and then showcase to you in terms of the information that is available to you for the Excel sheet. So in this way, basically the setup is helping you to acquire data and then log the data. Apart from it, also visualize all the data of an electric vehicle. This can be beneficial to you in many different ways. Let me brief you out in our next video what you can use this setup for and create a lot of learning opportunities for your students and also for the scope of research as well. Thank you.